According to Teslarati, VinFast is planning a second production facility in Vietnam. The new factory, located in Ha Tinh province, is expected to produce 300,000 vehicles annually, matching the output of its Haiphong plant. Production will focus on the VF3 city car and VF5 crossover, with operations set to begin in July 2024. VinFast sold fewer than 45,000 vehicles globally in the first 9 months of 2024 but received 27,649 pre-orders for the VF3 in just 66 hours. Over half of these pre-orders were made online, reflecting the company's e-commerce strategy. VinFast recently secured $3.4 billion in funding from parent company Vingroup, bringing total investments to $17 billion. The automaker is also planning a facility in India with a capacity of 150,000 vehicles annually and has dealership agreements in Europe and the Middle East. In the US, VinFast began VF8 deliveries in 2022, though the vehicle is under investigation by the NHTSA following a fatal accident earlier this year. You are listening to Yuan News.